Ho, 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 ho!
Welcome to day 5 and bag 5 of the 1989 Batmobile Daily Build. Let's get into bag number 5. And that will do it for bag number 5. So stay tuned tomorrow for bag number 6 on December 6th.